This is my website. This is the hero section. Welcome to my Fernie Heaven. Hi everyone, my name is Lahu Panchal. I have graduated with BCA degree from Foxit College, Latur. Currently enrolled for Technodexterious Python full stack development offline trainings in Pune. Also serving 6 month offline internship here as a software intern, where we get opportunity to work on real-time Python-based projects. We need to accomplish and present 2 mini projects as a part of full stack development course. So I am presenting my first Python mini project with you. My project name is Fernie Heaven. Fernie Heaven is the furniture shop. The idea of this project is to create an online platform where users can browse furniture, see images, prices, and add items to the cart. It also includes product detail and a search system. The purpose of this project is to provide a simple and user-friendly shopping experience for viewing and selecting furniture. I will use the tech stack of Python Flask for the backend routing and HTML, CSS, Bootstrap for the front end and UI, and also Jinja 2 templating for display the data dynamically. All product data is stored in directly in Python code. I will explain implementation steps. First, I create the Flask project structure for implementing to the backend code and design the template like index and cart pages, added product data, and implementing routing and card logic. It is for the front end data and routing and functionality implemented Flask route displaying all posts. Let's jump to the code. I will explain my code. This is my all pages. Here in static, I will get images of my projects like bed, bookshelf, coffee table, sofa, and also all other images. They are in static. And card.html, checkout.html, main.py, index.html, and other pages are given here. I will explain one by one. First, I explain main.py. This is my main backend file. It used the Flask framework to the run website. Inside this file, I import Flask and create an app. Then I create different routes for each page like cart, checkout, and other pages. When someone visits these pages, Flask loads the correct HTML file using the render template function. So main.py is basically controls my whole website and connects to the front end from the back end. Then I will create all routes here like cart route, contact route, and all other routes are connected to the front end from the back end in main.py. Index.html file. This page contains the home page code. It starts with basic HTML structure. I use the Bootstrap classes for layout and styling. There is a navigation bar at the top of user. Then I will use the browser and also all other things. I also display a main banner or welcome section to introduce the website. It gives a clear first impression, or it gives the clear UI or design for the website. This is my code of index.html. This is hero section. Then I will create a navigation bar. Then add to sliding browser. Then products and add to cart button. Here is all code of my index.html. I explain product detail.html code. This page displays all the products I used a grid layout with cards for each product. Each card contains an image, name, description, and price. There is also an add to cart button. The design is made using Bootstrap card and responsive columns. This is my card.html code, or this is card code. There are buttons to remove the item and proceed to the checkout. The page is simple for the customers for review their purchase easily. I will explain. Checkout.html contain a form. Users enter detail like name, that's address, email, and phone number. When the user submits this form, they are redirected to the payment of success page. This is the checkout page. Also here I using the div tag, button tag, form tag, body tag, main basic tags of HTML. Last page is my project is contact page. The contact page contains a simple contact form. Users can write their name, email, and message. If there are any problem in purchasing the furniture, or contact to the furniture owner or shop owner, he will try to contact from here using the contact page. In this page I will use message and name from through the email address. I will run code and show the website. This is my website. This is the hero section. Welcome to my Fernie Heaven. This is navigation bar, and this is browser. Here I will get images. Here are all images of products. Here is the product section. Here is the card section. When you will click on image, see the details and add to cart from here. Also you will back to shopping, and then also from here you will add the images to the add to cart. Then you will proceed to checkout. Here I submit name, then email address, then UPI ID, and I will pay now. Then back to the shop. Also if any problem, so you can contact the owner, give the name, then email address, and write here any message or problem. Then this is sent successful, and here you can search any furniture item or name from this, then given in top. This is the bed and bed details also. From here you can add to cart and proceed to check out all other things. This is my all project. Thank you.